Hello students, welcome back to our grammar class. Today we're exploring an exciting topic, the future tense. The future tense is used to talk about actions that will happen later. We form it by using the modal auxiliaries will or shall along with the base form of the main verb. Think of it as a way to see into the future of your sentences. For example, I will visit my grandparents tomorrow. Let's break it down into different types of sentences. 1. Affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences state that something will happen in the future. We use will or shall plus base form of the main verb to form them. The structure looks like this. Example, I will be away for the next few days. 2. Negative sentences. Negative sentences show that something will not happen in the future. We add not after the modal verb will or shall. This structure looks like this. Example, I will not sleep tonight. 3. Interrogative sentences. Interrogative sentences ask a question about the future. We put the modal verb will or shall at the beginning, followed by the subject and the base verb. This structure looks like this. Example, will you go to school tomorrow? Now we'll explore the uses of the future tense and how we use it in different situations. 1. To denote future time generally. We use the future tense to mention actions that will happen in general in the future. Example, I will study, clean my room, and go out to play. 2. To denote a future prediction. We use it to predict something that may happen based on current signs or information. Example, the weather is very humid and dusty. I think it will rain in some time. 3. To denote actions or events that are going to take place. Shows events planned or expected to occur in the future. Example, my sister will soon graduate from her college. 4. To denote plans for the future. We use the future tense to tell someone about our future arrangements. Example, we will meet you tomorrow. 5. To denote actions that are definitive to take place. This indicates actions that are certain or decided for the future. Example, you will receive a reply to your application from the administration office in a day or two. It has already been read. Alright, it's practice time. Pause and think carefully as you answer. Check the answers together. Now we'll learn about the going to form to express the future tense. The going to form helps us talk about actions or events that will happen in the future. Let's see how it works. Examples are given below. Uses of the going to form. We use going to show what we intend or plan to do. Example, I'm going to visit the grocery store this weekend. Going to can express a future event we are sure will happen because of present signs. There are dark clouds in the sky. I think it is going to rain in a few hours. It is used to forecast something that is likely to happen. Example, Charan is going to lose the council election after such poor behavior. We use it for actions that might not happen as planned. Example, I'm going to study till late if my cousins do not disturb me. Going to can also describe something that will be in progress at a specific time ahead. Example, I will be studying tonight. Let's look at its structure in different types of sentences. Affirmative sentences. This shows an action that will be in progress at a specific time in the future. Example, I will be studying tonight. Negative sentences. Here we show that an action will not be happening at a future time. Example, I will not be sleeping tonight. Interrogative sentences or yes-no questions. This is used to ask if an action will be in progress at a certain future time. Example, will you be studying tonight? Interrogative sentences or WH questions. We use this to ask for details about a future ongoing action. Example, What will you be doing tonight? Future continuous tense. 1. A definite action continuing at a specific future time. This shows an action that will still be happening at a particular time in the future. Example: students will be practicing for the dance performance till 4 p.m. 2. A scheduled plan for the future. The use of the future continuous to talk about planned actions that are expected to happen. Example: Aisha will be visiting her friends tomorrow. 3. An action expected to take place during a future period. This is for actions that will occur in the course of future time. Example: I will be meeting Sana at the sports academy tomorrow anyway. 4. A longer action interrupted by a shorter action in the future. The future continuous shows the ongoing action while something else happens. Example: he will be sleeping when you visit him. 5. A polite inquiry about future plans. It can be used to politely ask about someone's future actions. Example: will you be coming home late tonight? Practice time. Pause these questions. Now we'll check the answers together. Nice work, everyone. Keep practicing what we learnt about the future tense. It will make your writing and speaking even better. See you soon.